City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows? I fell away from the first embrace I shared with you.
That now our dreams they finally come true. City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. There in the bars and through the smokescreen of the crowded restaurants, it's where, yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else.
A rush,
A glance,
a touch,
a dance,
a look in somebody's eyes, to light up the skies, to open the world as if willing. A voice that say I'll be here and you'll be alright. I don't care if I know just where I will go, 'cause all that I need is this crazy feeling, a rat tat tat on my heart. Thing I want is to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars,
you never shine.